In life, situations change like seasons, sometimes calm, sometimes stormy. जिंदगी में परिस्थितियां मौसम की तरह बदलती हैं, कभी शांत, कभी तूफानी. But what keeps us steady? हमें क्या स्थिर रखता है? Is not the situation, it's our balance. लेकिन हमें परिस्थितियां स्थिर नहीं रखती, हमें परिस्थितियां दृढ़ नहीं रखती, बल्कि हमारा संतुलन दृढ़ रखता है. Let's understand the meaning of equanimity by the root word method. The word equanimity can be divided into two parts. Equa meaning समान means एक जैसा, और anim or anima means आत्मा, means जीवन, means life, means soul. So equanimity means balance in thought, speech and actions. इसलिए equanimity का मतलब है विचार, वाणी और कर्म में संतुलन. Life is not always calm. Storm will come. But if our thought, if our speech, if our actions stay in balance, no storm can shake us. जिंदगी हमेशा शांत नहीं रहती. तूफान आएंगे, लेकिन अगर हमारे विचार, हमारी वाणी और कर्म संतुलन रहे, तो कोई तूफान हमें हिला नहीं सकता. Think of water when it flows calmly. It reflects the sky, the trees, and the beauty around. But when disturbed, it loses its clarity. Right? जरा पानी को सोचिए. जब वह शांत बहता है तो आसमान, पेड़, चारों ओर की सुंदरता को साफ दिखाता है. लेकिन जब वह अशांत होता है तो उसकी पारदर्शिता, उसकी ट्रांसपेरेंसी खो जाती है. When our thoughts are pure, our speech is gentle, and our actions are balanced, we are practicing in equanimity. जब हमारे विचार निर्मल हों, वाणी मधुर हो और कर्म संतुलित हों, हम इक्वानिमिटी का अभ्यास कर रहे होते हैं. But when our thoughts are disturbed, our speech is harsh, and our actions are imbalanced, it means we are moving away from inequanimity. लेकिन जब हमारे विचार अशांत हों, वाणी कठोर हो और कर्म असंतुलित हों, हम इक्वानिमिटी से दूर जा रहे होते हैं. So, pure thoughts, gentle speech, balanced actions, that's equanimity. Anything less and it fades away. I want to share a quote with you because that quote is totally relevant to me. The lines of that quote is, the mind is like a water. When it's turbulent, it's difficult to see. But when it's calm, everything becomes clear. If you like my video, then like, share and subscribe and comment please. If you don't like my video, then you also tell me what type of mistake I have done in this video. Please, I am waiting for your advice. Thanks for watching.